Ever wondered how many pints of Guinness you could buy if you spent all your weekly wages on the black stuff? Well, according to an index put together by savings platform Raisin, you could buy about 166 pints on the average weekly wage in this country. Now, the average weekly wage is about €1,026. So 166 pints you could buy. Mind you, that's down on what it was last year. It's way down from the peak. Back in 2006, you could have got 190 pints for the average wage. So it's a good indicator of how prices are increasing. And at the start of this year, Diageo, the owner of Guinness, put up prices by about 7 cents for the pint of Guinness. This translated, when you added in VAT and publicans' profit margins, translated into about 20 cents on the pint. So the typical pint of Guinness now is at least €6, some places even more. So you can buy 166 pints if you spent all your weekly wages, the average weekly wages on pints. That's down a bit from last year when you would have got 169. So the pint of plain is becoming more expensive. What you might call pintflation means that it's expensive now to go out to the pub. And the pint has gone up in price way above the general level of inflation. If you look back over the last 30 years, maybe, the price of a pint is up about 140% over those last 30 years. But general inflation is 87%. Also, take-home prices, take-home cans are much cheaper. Take-home cans of Stout, they have only gone up about 53% in the last while. The last same period, say over the last couple of years. So, it's becoming more expensive to go out for the pint in the pub.